welcome to this tutorial about how to get started with the Sports Bench plugin. So first off here, I have sort of a blank demo site that I've set up, and I'm going to go in and install Sports Bench. Okay, so now that it has been installed and activated, we can now see the teams, playoffs, players, games, and our Sports Bench options page. So we're going to go into here first to set up the plugin. So once you get in here, you can select your sport. In this case, I'm going to go with soccer. You can select the current season, if the season's in progress or whatever. And this is where you would update that at the end of every year. If it's a sport that covers, it's like a fall to spring league, then you would check this box. And then you can also set what the current week is. And if you're basketball, in your league, the scoring by half, like college or men's college basketball, then you would just check this box right here. Next up, we're going to go into our display options. Here, you would check this if you're wanting to display the scoreboard bar or the scoreboard page or scoreboard widget by week. Leave it unchecked if you want to have those games displayed by day or week or like 7-day periods. Next here, if you want to show a Google map with the stadium that the game is at, you can check this box, but do note that you will need a Google Maps API key, which you can enter in right here. And then also you can add an abbreviation guide at the end of any stats tables so that people can know what the actual stats are. Next up, we're going to go into pages. Now, sort of before this, I did create player, team, and box score pages that are empty at the moment. I'll go over how to do that when we talk about how to create teams, players, and games. But for the moment, I'm just going to go in here and select those pages. And hit save. And I do want to note here that once you do this, you will need to go into settings and permalinks and just hit the save button on those so that the permalinks for teams and pages works correctly. And then finally, when you purchase Sports Bench, you should have received a license key along with it, and this is where you'll go in to enter it and activate it so that way you can always get the updates that you need. So that's it for this tutorial. Next up, we're going to talk about how to create teams.